A strange number on your phone, you answer it, and the person on the other line is asking for money. They claim they're a debt collector, but it could be a scam. New tonight, Joe lets you know how to tell the difference.
As if we aren't getting enough phone calls from scammers and telemarketers, viewer Jason says his mom can't get answers from a collections caller. He writes, they never leave a message and we never got a written validation from them. He wants to know, are they true or a scam medical debt collector? Jason, your mom is entitled to a validation notice 5 days from contact, but it's hard to get anybody to enforce that law. So you have to take care of yourself. First, demand to know who's calling you, name, address, everything. A legitimate debt collector needs to tell you that. Get the name of the company owed, find out how much is owed, and whether you are really in collections. Check to see if the creditor is listed on your credit report. You can get 3 free a year at annualcreditreport.com. If you can't find the debt, it was either paid off or didn't exist. Either way, no collector can contact you before 8 a.m. or after 8 p.m. They can't threaten arrest, and they have to stop calling you once you ask them in writing. Still having problems? File a complaint with the Attorney General's office and let me know. The Better Business Bureau Let Joe Know volunteer team is solving your consumer problems every day. Need help? Call the team, email me, or like the Let Joe Know Facebook page and tell me about it there. I'm Investigator Joe Ducey. If you've got a problem, let me know.
And he's serious about that. Give Joe a call. I mean, he's solving problems all the time for people. So.
Yeah, and here's a hint. If they ask you to pay off the debt in gift cards, that's a big no-no.
Yeah, big no-no.
Don't do that.